So you're in AutoCAD, you're doing your exam, technical drawing or whatever, and you have to label your drawing. Let's say it's a mechanical drawing like this one, and we have to insert the metric screw thread. Yeah? So let's say this is an M14 nut and bolt. So we type Mleader, we click on the bolt head, and then we insert the name of it, right? So M14 nut and bolt, and we click outside of the drawing, but then something happens. It seems like the words disappeared, but they did not. They're just really small. So how do we resize the text? We go to Mleader style, of course. Mleader style. Right, the style is already selected, so we go to modify. Then by text height, we see that it's 0.18 millimeters, which is obviously too small. So let's change it. Let's change it to 5, and let's go back. And now it's bigger, it's more legible, but we want it even bigger than that. So let's double the size. Let's go to 10. Okay, this is good. This is good. M14 nut and bolt, but the layer is wrong. So let's just change the layer real quickly so that it's white. And there you have it. So that's how you use Mleader and change the text height. But what about the arrow? At present, we cannot see the arrow. So let's fix that as well. Let's go back to Mleader style, and instead of text height, let's go to leader structure. Let's go to leader format, and there we have it. Arrowhead. So the arrowhead was small, so again we'll change it. We'll set it to 5, or you can set it to 10 or whatever you like. And now the arrowhead is much easier to see. All right, so I hope that you benefited from this. All the best in your exam or in using AutoCAD or anything like that.